Hi there. I'd like to talk about the knee today. Knee pain, knee joint works a lot. It's what can I say? You go downstairs, or just go down to squat, and you bend your legs, and just it hurts. Sometimes it just hurts happening. And I like to talk and I show you what to do when really hurt happening. Okay, get a roller. Get a yoga mat, get a resistor band, any band, flat band, like a Pilates mat or a rock floss. You're gonna use it, make it feel better. Okay, ready? Let's go. Okay. See? Let me see. Right over there. I'm going inside of my knee, inner thighs. Not quite, but it's top of your, it's the top or bottom of the quadriceps, where thigh meets knee, right? Right here hurts. There you go. And I slowly go in. It hurts. Good hurts, right? It's gonna make you feel better. Make you feel better. Do this. Oh, do this with me. Oh, I'm gonna stay here, and I'm gonna bring my foot up and down. Oof. And back and forth. Make a foot up and down. Yeah, baby. Ooh la la. This is the spot. It bothered me. It must be a trigger point. Something inflamed here. But in front of my patella area, it's really, really hurting. Okie dokie. Going in. Yep. I haven't done it quite a bit. Okay, stay here if you feel good. I think my pain is kind of going down. So I'm moving on. Put the roller this way. I'm putting my knees right there. So I'm moving my legs up and down. Oh, where is a better angle? Okay, how about this? I'm gonna go all the way. And again, side to side. One side in, one side out. Really taking care of muscles around. And I'm gonna go for actually same side. I'm going IT bend. Okay, camera. Come on, right here. This hurts. You wanna do it? Fix my shirt. Ready? Ow. God, it hurts. I'm gonna put my top leg on the floor. It less hurts. There you go. Hola. Okay. If other knee hurt, take your time. You're gonna do it again. Well, where's my camera? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna do it together. I'm gonna do it together with you. Okay, again, sideways. Don't make other quiet one jealous later. All right? Not just a squeaky door, and a quiet one you have to take care of too. Okay, I'm gonna put my inside of my leg, place it right on top of the roller. I'm gonna put my foot up and down. Oof, even though this one didn't hurt when I'm walking or moving, but it has a lot of pain over here too. I'm sweaty from the pain. Move it in, back and forth, going in slightly. Don't have a pain here. I'm finding it. Yes, yes, right here. Okay. Ouch. Okay, again. Ow! Put your foot up and down, up and down. Ooh, 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 ooh la la. Once again, I haven't done it for a long time, so it hurt me big time. My eyes are not looking at the camera. I have to make sure. We're going again. Do it. Get back to work. Okay. La 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 la. Okay. Let's move it on. Let's go for side of your leg, which is called the IT bend. You wanna taking care of this, guys. These bad boys. Okay. Again, if this is too much, you can put your top leg on the floor. If you can handle it, stick it up. Today it hurts a lot. So I'm gonna kind of limp out. Ooh. Ow. And go around the knees. Bend your knees. Give yourself a little bit more pressure on the spot. So you're moving this way. This way. There you go. Ooh. Which way can you see? Better. There you go. Oh. Oh. Okay. Let's move it on, shall we? So grab a band, any band. A lot of household has this resistant band. I have this band which is not that strong, but I'm gonna make it happen. Start it from the bottom of your knees. It's because we're gonna wrap around farther from the heart to close to the heart. So which means for knees, you wanna start from the bottom of your knees and going up top of the knee. Okay. So the method I'm using it is from the rock floss, which has this wonderful stuff of you can make your body feel better. They teach you like a 50-50. 50, cover the 50% of the band you wrapped around, and you restricted 50% of blood flow. Okay, and when it's done, I'm gonna tuck in. Okay, make sure it's tucked in, and this is a fun begin. We're gonna do some squats. Okay, everyone's a favorite. You may not see my face, but you may see my knees or my legs. Okay, I'm going like this. Make sure your knees stay behind your toes, and you sit down and chest up and just do the few body weight squats. Okay, that's it. Halfway. We are about to go into 10. 3, 2, 1. Excellent. I like to go for like this. Bend your leg and kick it. Okay, kick it. There you go.
2, 1, and let's go for lateral. Okay. Make sure your toes are looking forward, both side toes looking forward. I'm sitting on my bum cheek. There you go. One more. Okay. Okay. Kick it, kick it. Okay, make sure you got the best of it. Don't stay here more than 2 minutes. Okay. I'm gonna unfold it. Woo. Okay, pressure is done. I feel actually already better, but I have one more method to show it to you. Next one I want to show it to you is a method called floss. Just like we did it for flossing to get rid of the residue to inflame the things for teeth. And this is for between the joint, you get rid of the inflammation. So kind of makes sense what they name it this way. This is actually inflammation below a skin level we're gonna taking care of. I think that's the method, but it works, whatever the science behind. Okay, so grab the skin where it hurts, especially this on my knee. My right knee is bothering me today. My foot on the right foot is firmly grounded like this, but back foot is kind of stand back like almost lunges. So your weight is on the front heel and a ball of a front foot. I'm holding a skin like this on the knee, really close like this, and I'm firmly holding it while I'm circling to clockwise. There you go. And I'm gonna switch the direction. There you go. Counterclockwise, I'm gonna make a circle. Oh, I see better. There you go, there you go. 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm gonna still hold the skins. I'm actually pushing back and forth on my knees. Sideways looks like this. There you go. 3, 4, 5, 6. Meanwhile, I'm here. I'm gonna actually massage it right inside. There's a little bit of a spot it hurts. You massage it on the foam roller. It's right here. Oh, it's not that bad at all. But I like to massage a little bit while I'm here. Okay, there you go. And I walk around. Actually, my knee feels much better. I hope it helped. Breathe. Next time when it hurts, don't just leave it away, right? And you know what to do and take care of it. And then you can come back stronger next time. Okay, bye. See you next video.